Have you ever felt stuck, weighed down by things you just can't let go of? I've been there too. 2 years ago, I was holding on to a painful betrayal, and it seemed like I'd never find peace. Then I discovered the healing power of journaling, and within weeks, I felt lighter, like a huge weight was finally lifting. You don't have to stay stuck. Research shows that people who write about their emotions for just 15 minutes a day see a 50% improvement in their emotional well-being in just 2 weeks. That's incredible. And today, I want to help you start your own journey to healing. So, grab your pen and let's get started on the path to forgiveness. Hey, I'm Alicia, and I'm so glad you're here. I know life can feel overwhelming, and trust me, I've struggled with stress and emotional blocks too. But I found something that changed everything for me: journaling. Now, you might be thinking, I'm too busy, or I'm not a writer. I totally understand. Journaling isn't about being perfect. It's about creating a space where you can heal, and anyone can do it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how you can use your journal to let go of pain and step into a better, more peaceful version of yourself. Let's dive in. The healing journey begins. The first step to healing is admitting we need it. Start your journal entry with, "I am ready to heal." This statement is powerful because it sets your intention. Healing starts with deciding to release the hurt. Confronting pain on paper. Next, it's time to face what's been holding you back. Try writing a letter to someone who hurt you. Let it all out. Don't worry about making it sound pretty. Just write how you feel. I remember doing this for the first time, and honestly, it was tough. My hand shook, and tears rolled down my face. But by the end, I felt like a huge burden had lifted. This exercise may be difficult, but it's also the start of your healing process. Reframing narratives. Now, let's shift how we look at the pain. Think about the situation differently. Maybe the person who hurt you was going through their own struggles, or perhaps a setback was setting you up for something better. In your journal, rewrite the story from this new perspective. For me, this was life-changing. It didn't erase the pain, but it helped me understand it better. Cultivating self-compassion. Next, let's turn the compassion inward. Write a letter to yourself from the point of view of a loving friend. What would they say to comfort and encourage you? This is a great way to practice self-forgiveness and build yourself up. I do this weekly, and it's like giving myself a pep talk. It really helps me see things from a kinder perspective. Healing through journaling is a journey, and I'm here with you every step of the way. Grab your journal now and write one thing you want to forgive today, whether it's someone else or yourself. This one act can be the start of something incredible. Let's support each other, and if this video helped you, please subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.